I met a man as I went walking. We got talking, the man and I. Where are you going?
I said,
Where are you going to, man?
down to the village to get bread. Will you come with me?
Got.
I met rabbits. As I went walking, we got talking.
Where are you going in your brown fur coats?
Down to the village to get some oats. Will you come with us?
No, I met you, puppy, as I went walking. We got talking, you and I. You ran. Where are you going this nice fine day? I'll come with you, puppy, said I.